Hey everybody, it's Nazarasfinecrafts, and today I wanted to go over this Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club Ticking Stripe Kitchen Set. So they sent me a sample, and I do have an affiliate link that's down below. If you are new here, then definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I do crochet, kit reviews, giveaways, tutorials, anything really to do with yarn, as well as a few other things that might be crafty related. So the affiliate link will be down below if you want to check it out. But this is what we got so far. I haven't opened it yet, so let me go ahead and open this. So we get, it looks like 2 skeins of Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club yarn. Cool machine wash, gentle, tumble dry, gentle low heat. Do not bleach, do not iron. This is 100% cotton. There's 4 ounces, 200 yards. It's a 4 medium weight. I believe this is the same thing. Yes. And this is the color white for as far as I can tell. And then this is exactly the same stats except for it's in a navy blue. And then we get this cute pattern here. Knit and crochet. It actually shows you some of the stitches as well. But let's go ahead and try this out. Let me see if it says what size needle. Okay, and or 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. So let me see if I can dig that out here. So I have a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook here, and let's see what it says to do. So the yarn's pretty soft. It looks like it's just spun. And let's see how easy it might be to find the center. There's a small skein. But these are very cute little farmhouse looking dishcloths. I'm pretty sure you could actually do, okay, it's a kitchen set. So let's see, dishcloth and a dish towel. Okay, so it looks like you could do 2 dishcloths and a dish towel. That's nice. So I'm trying not to show the pattern too much because it's not mine. I'm not allowed to show it. Sorry, you guys. Oh. Definitely look for this kit if you like these colors or if you want to make some dishcloths. And I will let you guys know in just a minute how easy the pattern is or how difficult, what I think is missing, things like that. So I will go ahead and do a little montage of me working on them, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys about them. We'll see you in a minute. So right here I'm actually looking for other YouTubers to watch. I've been enjoying, it's Gingham Bliss. She does embroidery and organic children's clothing out of her own home. I also enjoy watching Cinnamon Stitches and quite a few other kind of programs, but I do like to watch the YouTube channel. I like to support my other YouTubers when I am working on projects like this. So that's what I'm doing right here while the kids are sleeping, and I'm just crocheting and trying to enjoy some peace and quiet, shall we say. Hey everybody, it's the next day. So I went ahead and worked on one of the washcloths. So I have quite a bit left of the blue and the white. So one washcloth out of this, I could probably make 2 more washcloths, honestly. Probably a kitchen towel with just one of them. But the pattern was written really well. It really made sense. I did not do the one extra rim on this, and it is a little bit crooked because I wasn't understanding exactly what they meant at first, and then I got the hang of it. So, but that's the little towel. I love the little stripes on the back. It looks like just little check marks. On the front it zigzags. So, but it's nice. It's a nice weight. It's not too light, but it feels like it would really actually do some heavy duty work. I did really like this yarn too, actually, because it didn't split on me at all. It didn't slip off the hook. It's soft. You could almost use this as a wearable cotton. Actually, you could wear this as use this as a wearable cotton even. So, or with a really nice cozy blanket. But that was Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club Ticking Stripe Kitchen Set. I didn't get as much video of me making the washcloth as I wanted to. The kids started running around. I couldn't get it. And I actually do have an affiliated link down below for Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. So if you want to check them out, go ahead and check them out. Let's see if I can get a price here on this for you guys. So I have a yarn sampler kit, sampler packs for 40% off of your favorite crochet kits from Knit Picks. As well as, so yeah, if you want 40% off of this, which I forgot, I was going to look at how much this was. So it looks like all of their sampler kits are $25 or $24.99. So you'd be able to take $10 off of that. So it would only be $15.99. I believe there is shipping. You would have to pay shipping as well. But definitely, if you like that, then check it out down in the description below. And if you like this kit review, then give me a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more like it. And we'll see you later. Bye!